Have you ever imagined waking up in an underwater hotel room? Who in this world is not a fan of themed hotel rooms? There is something extremely magical about staying in a luxurious hotel room that takes you to an entirely different world and time. It gives you a feeling that you never had earlier. There's nothing more fascinating than laying in your expensive king-size hotel bed, watching sharks and other creatures swimming in front of your eyes through a glass. Every year, a new and grand underwater resort appears in this list of luxurious hotels. Staying at one of these hotels will make you experience the beauty of the world that lies below water. If you are a fan of scuba diving or snorkeling, then these hotel rooms are for you. Building something underwater, however, is not a piece of cake. One has to suffer different environmental issues and financial concerns. In today's video, we'll see the most luxurious underwater hotel rooms. We'll have a look at the distinct features they have, and we'll talk about their insane price tags. Before jumping in the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and give us a thumbs up. Let's get started. Number 1. Atlantis, the Palm, Dubai. If you want to experience some next-level luxury that you can't find anywhere else, then please hop on a jet and do yourself a favor by visiting this iconic place. It can be found on the palm-shaped island in Dubai. Among the 1,500 plus rooms of this hotel, there are 2 underwater suites named Poseidon and Neptune, where guests can sleep peacefully in luxury next to a big fish lagoon. The sprawling suites offer a 24-hour butler service too. It offers the most intimate and romantic stay you could ever dream of, with its large floor-to-ceiling windows, which give a perfect view of marine life. If you want to spend your summer vacation here, then save $8,500 to stay there for a night. The underwater suites at the hotel aren't just ordinary rooms. They are 3 stories with multiple living areas, a kitchen, 3 bedrooms, and a staircase that connects everything. The main living area is 2 stories and is not located underwater. However, the area downstairs is something that will catch your interest. You'll find a lounge area that will give you an amazing view of the 3 million gallon Ambassador Lagoon. The 11 million liter lagoon is home to around 65,000 marine animals. Number 2. Intercontinental Shanghai Wonderland, China. Designed by the team which built Burj Al Arab, Intercontinental Shanghai Wonderland is one of the most ambitious buildings ever created. The iconic 5-star luxury hotel comprises 18 stories, only 2 of which are above ground level. 2 floors lie deep and are submerged beneath a 33-foot deep aquarium, which is filled with exotic marine life. It also has 2 private suites where guests can enjoy the views of colorful fishes. The 370-room hotel also consists of a restaurant. Staying here for a night can cost you $2,000 to $6,000 per night. Number 3. Ocean Suite, Resorts World Sentosa, Singapore. This is one of Asia's largest theme parks, which include SEA Aquarium and Adventure Cove Water Park among its popular attractions. Offering the guest to escape into an underwater world, this resort has 11 ocean suites. There are no privacy issues here. You can only be seen by 10,000 marine animals. When you come out of the spell of wonderful marine life, then you can enjoy the private deck with a swimming pool and dedicated 24-hour butler service. Every suite has its jacuzzi. Sleeping in this expensive hotel will be a memorable experience for you. Number 4. Jules Undersea Lodge, USA. If you are a dive enthusiast, then this one's for you. Located in Key Largo, Florida, this resort has the world's only dive-in, completely submerged underwater hotel rooms, where you must go after you get tired of scuba diving. This is one of the oldest underwater hotels. Once you get inside, the cozy rooms and large beds will make you go into a deep sleep. You can even watch Netflix and order in a chef who will scuba dive to cook for you. Staying here for a night will cost you $675 a night. Number 5. Reef Suites, Reef World, Australia. Sleeping in a large aquarium must be an extraordinary and amazing experience for you. Well, what about sleeping in the world's largest tropical coral reef? Labeled as Australia's first underwater hotel, the Reef Suites opened in December 2019 just off the Hardy Reef near Whitsundays Archipelago. The double-bedroom submerged suites have large reinforced glass windows with lights that can be turned on when it's dark so that you can see the fishes at night. Number 6. Manta Resort, Zanzibar. This one is a true definition of tropical luxury. Located off the Pemba Island on Zanzibar Archipelago, the Manta Resort is more like a dream. The floating hotel gives you an amazing and breathtaking view of the Indian Ocean and African coastline from a unique perspective. With each room placed about 13 feet below sea level, the living cost of each room starts from $1,500 per night. The resort also has a top desk, perfect for sunbathing. During the night, sea creatures such as octopus and Spanish slug can come to visit you. Number 7. Lover's Deep Submarine in the Caribbean. Submarines normally are used for war or carrying weapons, but this time it's not like that. Located at a little distance from everyone's favorite, the beautiful Caribbean island, Lover's Deep is a submarine made for couples who want to have a private time together, submerged in the deep ocean waves. Since 2014, the luxury villa rental agency Oliver's Travels has been offering this incredible submarine. The stunning views of the marine world will take your breath away, and this submarine has its team and staff members who make sure that you get everything easily. Living in this one can cost you $215,000 a night. Number 8. Conrad Maldives Island, Maldives. Offering a 180-degree panoramic view of the coral gardens surrounding it, the Conrad Maldives Island in the Maldives has been declared as the most beautiful restaurant in the world by the New York Daily News in 2014. It sits 5 meters or 16 feet deep below the surface. If you want a spectacular suite for you and your partner, then you have to pay $11,710 for a night. The underwater villa has a 2-level structure. The lower level has a master suite, bathroom, and lounge. The upper level has a gym, security quarters, kitchen bar, living room, and a deck. The whole scene sounds truly beautiful. Number 9. Bamboo Indah Hotel in Bali, Indonesia. At a distance of 20 minutes drive from Ubud's hectic center, the resort Bamboo Indah sits in the serene contrast with the outside world. It has a lush landscape dotted with rice fields, natural spring pools, and gardens. Its design is similar to beautiful and intricately carved antique buildings. The hotel is built upon a shrimp pond and has a tempered glass floor. There is a spa behind an organic garden in the hotel, a movie room, and a riverside deck dotted with pillows. It serves locally sourced organic foods. The hanging swing chairs at the hotel's top make the place more like a dream. Number 10. The underwater Ida Inn Vasteras, Sweden. You must have seen a floating boat or a ship, but have you ever seen a floating hotel? If not, then this underwater hotel, found in Sweden, floats on Lake Mälaren near Stockholm. The Ida Inn was opened in June 2020. You can only access this 25 square meter Ida Inn by boat. If you ever got a chance to visit it, you will enjoy sunbathing on the wooden deck above the surface and watching the undersea view down in the room. This inn appears like a typical Swedish house, floating on water. A small bedroom with twin beds is sunk about 10 feet below the surface. The bedroom consists of panoramic windows facing all directions. This was all about today's video. If you get a chance, which of these hotels would you like to go to? Don't forget to ring the bell icon. Thanks for watching.